What's going on, everybody? It's Mike with Mike's Many Things. Today we have this wiper arm nut cover from Doorman, model number 49461. Says it's supposed to fit these GM trucks. So it's the arm nut cover. So I'm actually missing this cover on this blade over here. So I'm gonna get this unpackaged and see if it fits in there and gets that nut covered up. Like I said, there's two of them that come in this pack. They look to be exactly the same. So we shouldn't have any issue just picking one and putting it on there. Looks like that locks in the front. There's even some sort of maybe a little lock in the back. All right, so that's it. We got the that nut covered up. Just go ahead and put that prong part up first. Should latch in on, like so, and then fold it down. It should lock in fully. And then you got that nut right under that cover, and you got to protect it from the elements now. So, yep, that's it. Like I said, if you have 2016 Silverado 2500 or maybe similar body style, a different year, I don't know. I'm assuming all the new and future ones and maybe old ones are the same. Doubt they change it up much, but yep, if it's GM, absolutely. So that covers today's video. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe if you want to see more, and have a good one. Peace.